Hello everyone, myself Ketan Hulle, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Computer Engineering, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Welcome you all in today's video lecture on creative thinking tools. These are the learning outcomes. At the end of this video lecture, student will be able to understand importance of creative design thinking. He will able to implement the tools of creative design thinking. These are the contents we will be discussing during this video lecture. What is creativity? Creative thinking tools. So first of all, creativity. What is a creativity? Ability of imagining or inventing something new is nothing but called as creativity. Creativity is imagination of ideas, imagination of a unique, some new things which are not presently being implemented. Who is a creative person? Creative person is a person who will be finding solutions which are less frequent and less ordinary. A creative person will be thinking from creative angles to a particular problem statement. He will not be using frequently used solutions for a particular problem. Let's discuss some of the creative thinking tools. Creative thinking tools, mainly there are 4 creative thinking tools: brainstorming, zigzag technique, scamper and mind mapping. Brainstorming technique. It is a method of generating new ideas to solve a particular problem. In brainstorming technique, a team or group, they come together. Each group member, he says his ideas and then final solution is decided. These are the steps through which the brainstorming process is carried out. Identification of the problems. At first, a clarity about the problem is brought up from the discussions. What exactly is the problem? It is made clear. It is identified and finalized. Next comes the part of analyzing of the problem. In this analyzing of the problem, it is seen why this problem has arisen, which are the certain situations where this problem gets repeatedly, and then which are the conditions due to which this problem is coming into existence. Then the solutions are decided for this particular problem. That is the next step, solving the problem. The team members, everybody put forth their ideas, put forth their solutions, and then one final solution is decided towards the particular problem. And then comes the part of the conclusion. During the conclusion, it is seen that the solution is quite cost effective, it is customer satisfactory. The next technique is nothing but called as zigzag technique. It is a technique which helps individuals and teams to look at problems and situations from a different perspective. In this technique, 6 hats, they define 6 different functions. The groups and the teams, they are divided into 6 groups. Each group will be given one hat where they will have to focus on the particular things as per the color of the hat. For example, white hat, it will be thinking about the objectives in a neutral way. It will learn from the present data. A red hat, they will be expressing their emotions, their feelings. Yellow hat, it will identify the benefits and the positive aspects of the decided solution. Black hat, it will be focused on the negative aspects of the decided solution. Green hat, it will be focusing on the new ideas, new solutions from the improvement point of view. And blue hat, it will summarize the discussion and make the decisions. Let's discuss one case study. A cafe house is facing the complaints from the customer and how this zigzag technique would work there. The group of the peoples who are under this blue hat, they will focus on the complaints, whether these complaints are related with the serving of the coffee, whether these complaints they are related with the time span in which the coffee is offered, and what can we do to reduce these particular complaints. The problem and the customer views, they are taken into consideration, and customer satisfaction improvement is the prime focus. The groups or the peoples in the white hat, they would be doing the analysis. How many complaints are related with the waiting times? How many complaints are related with the serving of the coffee? Can we improve these particular complaints? How coffee serving can be improved? How the waiting times can be reduced? Presently, how much time is required to make a coffee? How much time is required to serve the coffee? What are the cost-effective solutions? Do solution exist, and what is impact on the speed? All these detailed analysis will be made by this group of peoples wearing white hat. Green hat. The green hat groups, they will be getting up some positive and innovative ideas. They would be looking for some different fresh solutions, and as per that the solutions would be suggested. Suppose the solution is suggested by the green hat is that we would increase one more coffee making machine, so that it would solve both the problems. It would give the coffee in time, and also it would reduce the waiting times. Yellow hat. The yellow hat groups, they are quite optimistic. They will think on the positive side of the suggested solutions. They will be thinking how this solution would help in reducing the complaints and increase the customer satisfaction. Red hat. Red hat groups, they will throw all their feelings and emotions. There won't be any logical reasoning, but they will just put forth the gut feeling which they are getting about the solutions, whether they liked, whether they disliked, whatever may be the thing in their mind, they will be put forthing it, and it will be discussed. Black hat. Black hat is a negative, but it will be from the logical aspect. If we are particularly increasing the machines, what will be its after effect? Whether it will be cost effective, whether it will work or it may not work. They look at all the possible solutions or the ideas. So this was the 6 hat technique. The next technique is scamper. Here, each letter from this word represents 7 different approaches for generating innovative ideas and finding the solutions. Let's discuss one by one. S, it means substitute. What materials or resources should you substitute to improve the product? Can you replace this particular product or process? Can you substitute this product with something another product? What will happen if you change your feelings or attitude toward this product? So substitute, basically it focuses of alternative that can be used to replace the present process or present product. Then comes combine. In combine, they look what another thing can be combined with the present thing. It may be product or it may be process, so that they can get something new. They would be going through these questions. What if you combine the purpose or objectives? What if you combine this product with another to create something new? What could you combine to maximize the use of this product? How could you combine the talent and resource to create a new approach to this product? Then comes the part of adaptability or adapt. For a present problem, it may be related with the product or process. Which new thing they can adapt? It may be technology, it may be some another solution. How could you adapt or readjust this product to serve another purpose? What else is the product like? What else is like your product? What other context you could put into your product? So in the adapt step, they would be discussing these questions. Then comes the part of the modification. Sometimes there are the problems where you need to modify your present process or your technical aspects. So they would be discussing how could you change the shape, look or feeling of a particular product? How can you modify this product? What could you emphasize or highlight to create more value of this product? What elements of this product could you strengthen to create something new so that the customer will get focused on this product. Put another to use. In this step, they would be discussing how this with product can be utilized in multiple way, or with this product can we put another something process or product in the use. Can you use this product somewhere else, perhaps in another industry? How else could you use this particular product? How would this product behave differently in another setting? Could you recycle the waste from this product to make something new? So these are the questions they would be discussing. Then comes the part of the elimination. In elimination, it will be thought, or it will be think that how can we eliminate a particular process? How can we simplify this particular product? What feature, parts or rules could you eliminate? What would you have in its place? So the eliminate, it would be focusing on elimination of product, some of the process. Final part, it comes, that is nothing but called as reverse. What would happen if exact opposite thing happens about the thing which we have earlier planned to do? What components could you substitute to change the order of this product? What roles could you reverse or swap? And how could you recognize or reorganize this product? This is the example of a beverage making company and how they are using this camper tool. First, that is substitute. What options are available for the material of the bottle in which the beverage will be served? Is this material having natural ingredients? How this material can be replaced? Then comes the part of the combine. Any other product can we promote with this particular beverage? In the adapt, can it be mixed with ingredients to make the mixed drink? In modification, they will be thinking how the taste of this particular beverage can be improved, additive properties to improve the taste. Put another to use. It is refreshing for the body. Can it enhance your another aspect of the body? No doubt beverage will be utilized for the drinking purpose, but what other impact will it have, or healthier effect it will have on your body, it will be focused. In elimination, they will be thinking some of the alternative way, like can these additive ingredients removed permanently from this beverage? Can the price design be redesigned so that the cost can be reduced? And in the reverse manner, they will be thinking about the opposite manner, or thinking to rearrange the order. Can the drink be made without water? So this is how the Scamper tool, it can be implemented, and we have discussed it with a particular case study. Then comes the part of the mind mapping tool. It is a process of selecting one idea from bunch of ideas and concluding to a specific solution. The mind mapping is nothing but a generation of different ideas and solution, and once these ideas and solutions are gathered, from that, after detailed discussion and analyzing, a specific solution is decided. This is the example of a business plan which would be using the mind mapping technique. Suppose a business plan is being to be executed. So what are the things they will be going through with the help of the mind mapping? They will be defining first four pillars, that is sales, marketing, finance and administration. In sales, they would be looking about how the inventory will be worked, how the inventory will be tracked. In marketing, they would be discussing what are the things that are to be done in press release, how the social media will be used, how the blogs and website would be improved, how the SEO will work. In the finance sector, they will be dealing about the investments, the payroll, how the shares will be distributed, how the investment can be increased. And in the administration, they would be discussing about the human resource, how the recruitment will be done, how much employees would be required, and the management thing, how the role and what will be the rules and regulation under this management would be executed. So these are the different tools that we have discussed. These are the references which were used during this video lecture preparation. Thank you.